Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 5 of Civics, Media and Democracy. Dear students, in this module we will talk about the meaning of media, the types of media, and finally the role of media in democracy. So let's begin our chapter with a question: what is media? Dear students, in the course of our day-to-day lives, we talk to a number of people, discuss events and topics that concern us, exchange views and information with others. This exchange of information and ideas between people is known as communication. And dear all, there are various means through which we communicate with other people in the society. For example, we use phones to call up our friends and family members, write letters to them, or chat with them on the internet. So, all these means through which we communicate in society are known as media. Media is the plural form of the word medium, which means a way of communicating information to people. For example, television, radio, newspapers, letters, etc. Dear students, sometimes we wish to communicate our ideas or views to a large number of people. For this, we can take the help of mediums such as the internet, the radio, the television, or the newspapers, which reach millions of people. All these forms of media which reach millions of people within a country or across the country are called mass media. Now we will talk about the types of media. On the basis of the technologies used by the media, they can be divided into print media and electronic media. So what is print media? They include newspapers, magazines, books, journals, etc. And since these are printed documents, so they are collectively called print media. Next is electronic media. Television, radio, internet, etc. are called electronic media. And dear students, they are called so because we need electricity to access them. Now we will talk about media and technology. As we have discussed, the radio, television, newspaper, magazines, etc. reach millions of people of the country and the world. But dear all, this is possible because of technology. Technology helps the media to reach more people. It improves the quality of sound and the images that we see. Actually, it has completely changed the way of life of the people. Media and money. Dear all, the media requires a huge amount of money for its functioning. For example, the television studio requires expensive cameras, lights, sound recorders, satellites, and highly paid professionals to run them. It has to spend lots of money for getting the latest technology. So due to this huge cost, the most TV channels and newspapers are the part of big business houses. The main source of income of the mass media is advertisement. Now we will talk about the role of media in democracy. Dear students, media and democracy are complementary to each other. Media keeps a close eye on democracy. It keeps democratic system on its toes and watches it from top to toe. Now first of all we will discuss about democracy government. A democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people, where people elect their representatives to form the government. Thus, the public opinion is an important aspect of democracy. And every government has to think about people's reaction to its policies and decisions if it wants to come to power again. In fact, people's opinion about an issue is based mainly on the information given by the media. It provides a platform to the people to form public opinion. Media educates people about the various political parties and their leaders during elections. It also helps people make an informed choice about who they want to represent them in the government. And dear students, it also highlights problems faced by the citizens and puts pressure on the government to act accordingly. It also informs people about new laws, policies or programs launched by the government. It helps citizens to understand how the format works and informs them about its actions and plans. And in the end, we can say media is like a watchdog in a democracy that keeps the government active. So, dear all, that was all about this module. Thank you.